Did you know you can get great Bible journaling supplies for just $1? Well, now it's $1.25, but it's still cheap. Hey, everybody, I'm Pastor Joshua. On this channel, we study the Bible together, and it's my goal to help you know it, to help you live it, and help you love it as I work to help you understand, apply, and live the Bible every single day. Part of that is helping you have your very own vibrant Bible study time. And one of the great methods for doing that is Bible journaling. I love to Bible journal. And I'm taking the challenge to find the ultimate Bible journaling setup using only items from Dollar Tree so that we can do this on the budget. I have 5 items that I've found that I think everybody probably should have for studying the Bible. Let's get right into it. If you're going to do any sort of Bible journaling, you absolutely need highlighters. This is probably one of the first places to start, and Dollar Tree had some what I would call cheap highlighters. We're going to open them up, and in a little bit, we're going to just see how they work. Hopefully they work well, but I found 3 highlighters, 3 different colors, and I use these not only for reading the Bible, but I also use them when I am reading a book. I love to highlight books. The next item that I found that I love to have is a ruler. Now, a lot of times I just end up using a 3x5 card or something like that. So I grab these rulers. I could only find them in a 3-pack, but again, $1.25 for a 3-pack. Now, one of the things I love about these rulers that I really thought was great is they're a little bit flexible. And that way, as you're putting them on your Bible, they easily curve around your Bible. I am one of those people who probably should use these more than I do. I kind of fall victim to just trying to make a nice straight underline, and then I don't have the best underlines in my Bible. 3 different colors of rulers. I'm going to have these in more than one place so that I can use them often. And these are in no specific order. I found these great tabs. They're sticky tabs, and you guys have probably seen these everywhere. But these are great because you can do a couple of things with these. You can use them as bookmarks as well if you want to kind of move along, yet leave tabs in your Bible. You can write on them. These also are great inside of your journal. Now, if you remember, I did a journaling Bible review on this channel, and if you're interested in that, I'll leave that at the end of the video. You can watch that. But even so, you need to be able to write in a journal as well because they just don't give you enough room. These are great for highlighting and marking things like that, but also they will not tear up your Bible pages, so you can use those in your Bible if you want to highlight or mark or put arrows at things. Another great thing. 2 more things left. You cannot Bible journal if you don't have pens, and I prefer to have many different colored gel pens. Now, when it comes to Bible journaling, there are a lot of different methods, and I would say just use whatever method works for you. As in, if you just make up your own method, as long as you are doing something that works for you and you're writing and journaling, that's fine. And that's kind of what I do. But I do really like to be able to have all different colors of pens so that I can mark my Bible up in different colors. I will write in my journal in different colors as well. So these are going to be great. Once again, along with our highlighters, we're going to try those in just a little bit and show you how well they work for $1.25 because I picked up really what I found to be the biggest notepad that they had. I would say this, I would probably rather a larger notebook. I like the big full-size notebooks, but some of you would like something like this. It's easy to throw in a computer bag, a purse, whatever, so that you can take it with you. And I will still use this. I purchased this with the intent to use this. On this channel, we've been doing a series through the Psalms, a Psalm of the Week. So I'm going to start using this to journal through the Psalm of the Week. So let's see now how these finds work. Let's test out our highlighters, and I don't expect them to not work, but just so that you can see that you can get something that works at the Dollar Tree. So I spent a total of $6, if my math is correct. So we have $5 and 5 quarters. So I spent a total of $6.25 being able to start a journaling kit, if you want to call it that. So I trust that this was helpful for you. that you enjoyed this video. Look at that. Even the yellow writes really well. This is going to be a great little find because when you're writing in your Bible, especially, you don't want something that's just overwhelming. Now, if we look at some of these darker colors, we can write with those as well. I also always carry just a regular pen so that I can write. But all of these are going to be very useful. I'm excited to use them. Let me know where you buy your Bible journaling supplies, or if you've got a kind of a hack for being able to find some cheap ones. But I would encourage you, if you're looking into Bible journaling, make your trip down to the Dollar Tree. You don't have to spend very much money, and you can get everything you need to start. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful for you, please make sure you hit the like button, share this video with anybody that you think it would help. If you're brand new to my channel, I have to ask you, please hit the subscribe button. And while you're there, hit the little bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. And I will see you in the next video.